Hello my beautiful people. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my own dry prawns. In my bowl are my prawns and I'm using lime to clean them and I'm using hydrator to dry them. So now let's start by cleaning our prawns. You don't have to use hydrator for this. If you don't have it, you can also dry your prawns in the sun, even in the oven. So now I'm going to press my lime I'm running more water on it, so I'm just going to rest it now and just put everything in a clean pot and add water to cover it up and just bring it to a boil. You don't just cook it down, bring it to a boil. Now my prawn has come to a boil. I'm going to sieve the water out. Then I'm going to let it drain. After that, just arrange everything in your hydrator tray and I'm going to let it dry for 11 to 12 hours. That is it. So after that, just going to plug it to the electricity and let it dry. You can use sun for this. You can also use oven. So now this is after 12 hours. My prawns are completely dry. And I'm going to dehead them. And the head, I'm not going to be throwing them away. I'm going to be blending them. I'm still going to be using them to cook. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.